Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. I have two statements to read. One is a request for a statement on the distribution and use of harmful pesticides and herbicides in Kenya. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise pursuant to Standing Order 53-1 to seek a statement from the Standing Committee on Agriculture, Livestock and Fisheries regarding the distribution and use of harmful pesticides and herbicides in Kenya. In the statement, the committee should, 1, report on the extent of use of pesticides and herbicides manufactured by Syngenta, Bayer AG, and Monsanto, which have been banned in other jurisdictions, including the United States of America and Europe, for causing widespread aggressive form of cancer. Number 2, confirm whether the farms have been selling 85% of pesticide and herbicides classified as highly hazardous by the Pesticide Action Network, PAN, to farmers in Kenya. Establish whether the pesticides and herbicides sold by the farm are banned by the European Union and state the reasons for the ban. Number 3, investigate and clarify whether the 3 farms willingly and knowingly presented pesticides and herbicides with high levels of acute or chronic hazards to human health and the environment, and whether the pesticide used in locust control were approved by PAN. These are Pesticide Action Network. Number 4, obtain data on the number of people reported to have suffered adverse effects from the harmful pesticides and herbicides, clarifying whether the 3 farms have compensated people for loss of lives, livestock, and environmental degradation from their harmful pesticides and herbicides. And finally, number 5, state any measures the ministry has put in place to protect farmers from such unscrupulous manufacturers and traders. Honorable Speaker, my statement, the second statement reads, is on the unregulated sale of harmful hair relaxers and bleaching substances by L'Oreal International Cosmetics and Beauty Company. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise pursuant to Standing Order 53-1 to seek a statement from the Standing Committee on Health concerning the unregulated sale of harmful hair relaxers and bleaching substances by L'Oreal International Cosmetics and Beauty Company. In this statement, the committee should, 1, investigate whether the ingredients used by L'Oreal International Cosmetics and Beauty Company in the manufacturing and preservation of hair relaxers and bleaching substances contain carcinogenic properties such as formaldehyde. Number 2, establish health risks associated with the usage of these products. Number 3, clarify whether the company exercises consumer protection and risk assessment by labeling the chemical used in other products, and if they perform risk assessment to minimize the risk of human contact allergic reactions. Number 4, establish all complaints of experienced side effects after the use of L'Oreal beauty products and give data of those who have been compensated, if any. And finally, 5, investigate whether the products are in the market legally and whether they are disproportionately skewed against the Black African population. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.